Hi, I'm attorney Rick Lundeen with the personal injury and auto accident law firm of Nicholsborn and Lundeen in Silver Spring, Maryland. In this video, I want to address 3 mistakes you can make that could wreck your case in the first week following the accident. Mistake number 1, failing to seek immediate medical care. It is absolutely important that you seek immediate medical care if you've been injured in an auto accident. If you have any pain at the scene, go by ambulance to the hospital. Whether or not you went to the hospital, in the first week you want to seek a follow-up appointment with your doctor or a specialist. Now, if you don't have a regular doctor or know of someone you can see, call our office. We can provide you with names of doctors in your area who will work with you and the insurance companies concerning payment and help you get the medical care and treatment that you need. So don't neglect getting immediate medical care following the accident. Mistake number 2, giving the insurance company a recorded statement. The insurance company for the other driver does not have the right to take your statement, but they'll want it anyways. Remember, anything you say can and will be used against you. So whether you give a statement and when you give it are strategic decisions that depend on the unique circumstances and facts of your case. Usually, the other driver's insurance company wants your statement to see if you contributed to the accident, which would cause them to deny your case, or whether you assume the risk, or to somehow limit your damages and give them a point to negotiate a compromise. If you say something that makes it sound like you contributed, even just 1%, meaning the other driver was 99% at fault, even if you were just 1% at fault, the other driver's insurance company can deny your claim entirely. And they can do this legally, and they won't have to make any payments to you. That's not fair, and it's not the law in most jurisdictions, but it is the law in Maryland and DC and a few other states in the country. In addition to saying something harmful, you might actually leave something out. And then when you try to add that later, the insurance company will claim that you're making it up. Not true, but that's what they'll claim. So we recommend that you give no statement to the other insurance company until after you've talked to a lawyer. And we recommend that you not call the claim in personally. We call the claims in for our clients. If you don't have a lawyer yet, you could have a friend or family member do it, or a co-owner of the vehicle. That way you're not the one on the phone, and you're not giving a statement that could be used against you later. Now note, your insurance company for the car you're in does have the right to request a statement, and you have the duty to cooperate within a reasonable time. There's no artificial deadline that it has to be done within a certain number of days. So take your time, indicate your willingness to cooperate, have your lawyer present. What we do is we prepare our clients before they give the statement so they know what to expect, so there's no surprises. And we remain present with our clients throughout the statement to make sure that nothing unfair or improper occurs. Mistake number 3, failing to obtain and secure information about the other driver who's at fault and the witnesses. It's very important to get the names and addresses and phone numbers of the witnesses and the other driver. For the other driver, ideally you'd have the full name, the driver's license number and state of issuance, the other driver's address, and a home or cell phone number. You'll also want to obtain the year, make, and model of the other vehicle, the license plate number, and the state that issued that license plate. If possible, try to get the vehicle identification number as well. This is usually on the dashboard that you can see from outside the car looking through the front windshield. Most of this information will be in the police report if the police respond and make a report. But sometimes the police don't respond, or they do respond and just have the parties exchange information. If that's the case, be sure to follow up in the days following the accident with the other driver or the police officer to get the information I just listed. For witnesses, be sure you have their full name, their address, and a phone number. Witnesses can make or break a case. They're usually the most important piece of evidence if they were an eyewitness to the accident. You'll want to get a statement from that witness, preferably in writing, in the days following the accident while everything is fresh in the witness's mind. This is especially true if the other person tries to lie and blame you for the accident that wasn't your fault. Be aware that witnesses are often the first to leave the scene, so especially if they have someplace to be. So get their information first before you exchange information with the other driver. Chances are, however, if you're watching this video, you've already had the accident and you've left the scene and you're now at home. So the effort needs to be on tracking down this information that I've just listed as quickly as possible. We have excellent investigators who can do this for you and are part of our legal team. So I encourage you to contact us for a free, no obligation consultation. We'll listen to you and answer all your questions and give you specific advice about your case, your rights, and the steps you should be taking right now to be building a strong case for maximum compensation and getting the medical care you need to make the best recovery possible from your injuries. So call us now. The consultation is free and there's no obligation. You can call the number on this page or fill out the email contact form and we'll get back to you right away.